Hello, welcome to the video. I just wanted to show you a little modification we've done on our Claas Rake here. Now, the rear wheels steer via this steering arm here that runs all the way from the front through to the back wheels. Then it goes to this splitter here and branches off to either side to the wheels. You follow this steering arm along and we have this link arm here onto the wheels, which is a bit of a weak spot, and these bend. Well, they bend all too easily actually. We have a lot of narrow gateways in some of the farms we go to up here, and you've just got to catch the side of the wheel on a gate post, or if you hit a curb when you're going down the road with it, and they can bend quite easily, and then your tracking runs out and it steers all over the place. And it also, as you can see on this one, wears the tread off rather quickly. So we've come up with a little modification. It's mainly this side that does it, on ours anyway. So what we've done is, this is your normal steering arm, and it would have one on this side, but we've cut a lump out the middle and welded in a little top link. Oh, it's not ideal, but what it means is that if we're in a field and we bend this arm again, like we keep doing, it means that we can adjust this and track the wheel straight, and you can get going again in a couple of minutes. I mean, the tyre scrubbed off in about 45 minutes of travelling on the road, so yeah, you need your tracking to be right. It's not an ideal solution, but it might help. It certainly helped us. Right, I'm off to get some work done. We've got a load of concrete coming in about 20 minutes, so I'm going to help the boys get set up for that. We've got a fine body of men assembled anyway. Mad keen to be on camera. It's just for the record, Bob's the only one that can afford these expensive luxury t-shirts. This is going to be a masterclass in crazy paving. Here it is. Time to get working. That's good crazy paving though, isn't it?
Mm. Aye, well, if there's 8 metres there, you've saved a couple of metres, haven't you, in the tent? Oh, right, aye.
81 metres squared, 8.1 99 is 81, which is 8.1 at 4-inch thick, so it's 6-inch thick, it's 12, just over 12. So we've used 8. So therefore we've saved 4. Right. But of course we have labour. But that 4 metres will have paid for our labour, won't it? Yeah.
Now, Elizabeth, I hope you've got no plans to walk across that concrete. Ah, that's it. We'll go off the other way. Well, that's it done. 8 metres of concrete gone in there. Those concrete slabs were the yard that we dug up to build the new workshop. So we've got rid of those. Crazy paving, it's good enough. We're only going to use it to store hay and straw, and I might put some calves in it at some point, so it'll be good enough floor. So that's it for this video. If you like it, give it the thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one.